This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Sandy Papadakis. Quaint and charming home nestled on 0.58 acres. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, spacious kitchen. Split floor plan, master bedroom with private bathroom, garden tub and separate shower. Additional bedroom is generous in size with guest bathroom. Interior laundry room and large screen enclosed porch, 330 square feet, with a great storage room. Bonus: oversized detached garage, 432 square feet, a great workshop or just use as a garage. Your very own shuffleboard court too. No deed restrictions. Call today. For more information, review the details below.